for a woodsman's intermediate class there. Cook a meal on the fire. This is my submission. We got the required bannock. My vegetables. We got Oregon grapes, rose hips, currants, a couple thistle roots. We got bergamot, and we got some meat. And then we've got to get our fire prep going, get our critter cleaned up, figure out how we're going to make all this with one pot, one container. I'll check back later. Trying to figure out how I was going to do this with one container only. Found this rock here. It's got a really neat depression. It's got a built-in pour spout. So I'll show you in a second what we're going to do there. So we got critter on the fire. We took the currants, mixed them in with the bannock. Got it sitting over there, kind of off from away from the fire, kind of rising, doing its thing. Of course, just we're going to slow cook this guy, maybe over about 2 hours. I think he'll be done. So, I'll get back with you in a minute. So another part of my meal was I took the bergamot leaves and a few of the rose hips. I'm going to cut them up, put them in my can, boil them down. I'll have a tea and maybe skim the leaves off and kind of eat the pulp out of these, or eat everything but the seedy pulp. They're kind of hairy wood. pretty good. Now, what I think I want to do with my Oregon grapes, sitting there in my container, is I have one sugar packet. And when I add one packet of sugar, a little bit of water, stir that into a paste, and maybe make myself a Oregon grape dipping sauce for Mr. Critter. Hey, look there. New stain. So, anyway, gotta get those mashed up. It's gonna take a while. Get them down good. Critter's still cooking. Tea's going. Just got my 2 roots left. And I'll probably just run them down to the river, wash them up, and throw them in the coal, slow roast them, and we should be good to go. See ya. Alright, we're an hour down. I figured right at 2. Get the bannock going, nice and slow. Tea's done, Critter's half done, and our Oregon grape sauce is pretty much done. Now we're just waiting on the Critter to finish up. Well, the meal's done. Mr. Critter, roasted roots, my bannock with currants, my Oregon grape sauce, my bergamot tea and rose hips, a little homemade spoon. Time for me to eat. Enjoy this. Thanks, Iowa Woodsman. The rest of you, turn off the damn computer and go cook your own meal. See you guys later. Good, good, good. Why are you still here? Go cook your own food.